Hello guys, welcome back to Sunitha's Tasty Food channel. Today we are going to see a different and a wonderful recipe, that is Konaseema prawns fry. Konaseema is a coastal area which is in East Godavari district, is in Andhra Pradesh state, and it is a tourist place which is in southern part of India. Here the recipes are very famous, especially the seafood, prawn, fish and crab. Today I brought you the prawn fry recipe, so let's get into that. Here I've taken 1 kg prawns. After cleaning and deveining became half a kg, and there is a video for how to devein faster. I'll be giving the link in my description box below. I will show you another way of deveining the prawn with the help of knife. Make a cut on the back of the prawn and take out the vein. It is as simple as it is, but those who are not skilled with using knife, for them I have another video, please check it out. Just to take out the prawn smell, here I am taking 2 tablespoons of vinegar and diluting with some water, and with this water clean the prawns just to get rid of that smell, prawn smell, and pour out this water and again wash it with plain water. Let's come to our spices. Here I've taken 2 teaspoons of chili powder. This chili powder is a homemade chili powder. This includes dhania powder, jeera powder and mustard powder. If you don't have this powder, take 1:1 ratio of chili powder and dhania powder. Take 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and juice of half lemon and salt to taste. Well, combine all these things together. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Well, combine all these things together. Then we are going to mix it in the prawns. Here I feel like to add 1.5 teaspoons of extra corn flour to bring out that crispiness, and at the same time I feel like it's not well coated with the flour, so that's why I added extra flour. We're going to hydrate it with a little bit of water so that all the spices can easily penetrate into the prawns. And I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it again, then we'll keep it in the refrigerator for about half an hour for marination. Half an hour is finished, so just now I took out from the fridge. Now these are ready for deep frying. On the other hand, my oil is heating up. We can check the oil whether it is hot or not by keeping our wooden spatula touching at the bottom. When you see the bubbles are coming, then it is ready for frying. Fry them on medium flame. Drop them one after the other to avoid sticking together. Guys, if you like my recipe, please hit the red button and encourage me and share with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are available in the description box below. Please check it out. Not yet over. Be here, friends. The recipe is not yet over. We are going to temper these prawns. For that I have taken 2 tablespoons of same oil which we have fried the prawns. Add in few crushed garlic. Saute it. Gosil a few sliced chilies followed by handful of curry leaves. Then a pinch of asafoetida. Finally goes in our crispy fried prawns. Your Konaseema crispy prawns are ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching and stay healthy with homemade food. Bye. Take care. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon, please.